What a lovely place.
It really is so cozy.
And it smells good. Let's go in.
It won't be long now.
Yes, the cafe looks lovely.
I'm hungry. Me too.
What a perfect evening.
It is so peaceful.
Can we go in soon?
What a perfect evening with my girls.
I love you, Mommy and Daddy.
We love you too, sweetie.
Here we are.
It looks wonderful.
I'm hungry. Me too.
What a lovely evening.
Perfect for our walk.
Yeah, smiles for everyone.
Shouldn't be much longer now.
I hope not. I'm getting hungry.
Me too. It smells good.
Wow, the lights are so pretty.
They are, sweetie. It's a magical evening.
Just like you. This place looks perfect.
It really does. Everyone ready?
Yeah, I'm starving. Me too.
Look at that warm light.
It's like magic, Daddy. Can we stay and play?
Of course, sweetie.
Look, everyone. The cafe looks so warm and inviting.
Wow, I see lights inside.
Let's go in. What a lovely evening.
It really is. Shall we go in?
Yes, I'm so excited.
It shouldn't be much longer.
The wait is pleasant.
I hope it's soon.
It will be. What a perfect evening for a walk.
It really is so peaceful.
Look, a street lamp. It's glowing.
What a perfect evening.
It is. They're so excited.
I can't wait to eat.
This is such a peaceful evening.
Yes, Mommy. The sky is so pretty.
It really is. This place looks wonderful.
It really does. I'm so glad.
And it smells amazing.
Yeah, I'm starving. The cafe should open any minute now.
It will be worth the wait.
I'm so excited.
Look at that warm glow.
It's so inviting. A perfect night.
Can we go in? Yes, please.
What a lovely evening for our walk.
The lights are so pretty.
They are. This is our special time.
Together. This is the best sunset.
It really is, buddy.
I'm so glad we're here. Me too.
Should be any minute now.
It looks so inviting.
I'm starving. Me too. Let's go.
What a lovely evening.
It is. Perfect for a family dinner.
I'm so hungry too. Let's go.
What a lovely evening.
It really is so peaceful.
Look at the lights.
They're so warm. What a perfect day.
It really is. Shall we go in?
Yes, I'm hungry. Me too.
All right, let's go.
What a perfect evening.
It really is. Look at the sky.
I love this.
We do too. What a beautiful night for our family dinner.
Yes, it's so magical.
Wow, look at the lights. So pretty. The lights look so pretty.
Yeah, can we go in?
Of course, sweetie.
Let's go have some hot chocolate. What a beautiful evening.
It is. So glad we're here.
I'm so excited.
What a lovely evening.
It is. And I'm so glad we're here.
The cafe looks so cozy.
All right, everyone, are we ready for dinner?
Yes, I'm so hungry. Me too. Let's go.
Okay, let's go in.
Wow, the cafe looks so cozy. It does, doesn't it? Shall we go in?
Yes, please.
All right.
Should be here soon.
I'm so excited.
Me too, kiddo.
Can we go play?
Just a little longer.
What a lovely day for a meal together.
It is. The air feels so fresh.
Look, the sign.
This evening is just perfect.
It really is. I'm so glad we're here.
The lights are so pretty. This is the best day ever.
It certainly is, buddy.
Mom, look at the birds.
They're so pretty, sweetie.
It looks so cozy inside.
It does. The food smells amazing.
They'll call us in soon.
Beautiful day for a walk.
It really is so peaceful.
Can we go to the park? Yes, let's.
What a beautiful evening.
It really is so peaceful.
I'm so happy we're here.
Beautiful evening, isn't it?
It is so peaceful.
Look at the sky. This is the best dinner ever.
It is, isn't it?
I'm so glad we're here together.
Me too. This light is perfect for our dinner.
It is such a peaceful moment.
I love it.
What a lovely day for a walk.
It is, and the cafe looks so inviting.
Can we get a treat? Yes, please.
Should be ready soon.
I hope so. I'm starving.
Me too. Can we go in now?
What a lovely day.
So peaceful.
Look, a butterfly. Pretty.
This is so nice.
It really is.
I love it.
Me too, kiddo. It smells delicious already.
I'm so hungry.
It won't be long now.
I hope they have cake.
What a lovely evening.
It really is so peaceful.
Can we get dessert?
Of course. Look at all the glowing windows.
It's so magical at night.
Wow, they're like stars.
They certainly are. All right, everyone, big smiles.
Yay, cheese.
You all look wonderful.
Best family photo ever.
The cafe looks so inviting.
Yes, let's go in soon.
I'm so excited. Me too.
What a lovely evening.
It is. Shall we go in?
Yes, I'm hungry.
All right, let's go. What a beautiful evening.
The sky is so pretty. Look at the lights.
Let's enjoy it together.
Dinner time, my loves.
Smells wonderful, dear.
I'm so hungry.
Let's go, sweetie.
What a lovely evening.
I'm so happy, Mommy and Daddy.
Me too, my love.